Unveiling 2025 Tech Trends. The role of AI agents, edge computing, and chip resilience. As we stand on the precipice of 2025, the tech landscape is shifting dramatically, and the pace of innovation is unlike anything we've seen before. It's a pivotal moment that will not only alter enterprise operations, but also reshape how consumers interact with technology on an everyday basis. But here's where it gets controversial. As technology giants, particularly in cloud computing, pivot towards monetizing their infrastructure, the implications for smaller companies could be both challenging and transformative. Industry behemoths like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are moving away from a model that historically subsidized AI development through lower-cost infrastructure options. Instead, they are now strategically positioning themselves to charge higher prices for AI training and deployment services. This shift, as indicated by various investor analyses shared on social platforms like X, could unlock billions in revenue while putting immense pressure on smaller companies to either innovate rapidly or face potential consolidation in this highly competitive market. The rise of digital banks, a fintech revolution. The emergence of digital banking is a clear indicator of a broader transformation happening within the financial technology sector. Here, personalization driven by AI and effortless transaction processes are quickly becoming the norm rather than the exception. Digital banks are not just keeping pace, they are actually outstripping traditional lenders in efficiency and adaptability by employing machine learning for critical tasks such as fraud detection and customer behavior analysis. Insights from financial experts shared on X suggest that such trends will likely expedite the global adoption of digital banking, especially in emerging markets where mobile banking is already prevalent. Emergence of agentic AI. The game changer for enterprises, agentic AI, a term that refers to autonomous systems which can make decisions independently with minimal human input, is swiftly establishing itself as a central player within the technological trends for 2025. A recent report from McKinsey highlights that these intelligent agents are set to revolutionize complicated problem-solving in sectors like manufacturing and logistics. They allow for real-time adjustments that can enhance efficiency by as much as 30%. The report emphasizes that these agentic models seamlessly integrate into existing workflows, significantly minimizing delays and reducing human error, especially in high-pressure environments. This kind of innovation is not just theoretical, it's already finding practical applications in decentralized finance, DeFi, where AI agents have the potential to automate processes like trading and risk assessment. This could pave the way for specialized protocols to achieve market caps in the billions. Discussions among cryptocurrency analysts on X suggest a blend of AI and blockchain technologies could ignite a new wave of financial innovation, although predictions remain speculative given the undefined regulatory landscape. AI and edge computing, a new era in real-time data processing. The intersection of AI with edge computing is set to become another foundational element of technological advancements in 2025. By taking data processing closer to the point of data generation rather than relying on centralized clouds, edge computing paired with AI promises to deliver quicker and more secure results. Tech companies like Ice-T Software highlight this synergy as a pivotal factor for enhancing real-time decision-making in fields such as autonomous driving and smart manufacturing. For example, the combination of edge tech with AI could potentially have response times within IoT networks, thereby enabling applications ranging from predictive maintenance to highly personalized shopping experiences. Sustainability also emerges as a crucial theme here. Companies are increasingly harnessing AI to optimize energy consumption in operations that demand high data processing capabilities. McKinsey's insights, which resonate with a number of discussions on X, indicate that organizations investing in these emerging trends, such as Tesla's advancements in electric vehicles and Amazon's enhancements in cloud offerings, are experiencing rapid growth and solidifying their market positions. The management of innovation has become a critical component for long-lasting success. The boundaries of accessibility. multimodal AI, and domestic semiconductor growth. Technological progress in multimodal AI, which has the capability to interpret text, graphics, and audio at the same time, is broadening access to this powerful technology, influencing fields like strategic planning and creative applications. Recent posts on X from AI news outlets such as SA News Channel showcase how the integration of 5G and blockchain can enhance AI's usability in multilingual generative tasks, thus making these tools more accessible to users across the globe. Nonetheless, the challenges surrounding data privacy continue to be a significant concern. In tandem, a surge in domestic semiconductor manufacturing, especially from companies like Huawei, is expected to alleviate current supply chain disruptions. Reports spreading through X indicate that we could witness shipments of hundreds of thousands of sophisticated chips in 2025, significantly bolstering AI's underpinnings while navigating geopolitical complexities. Such developments, as outlined in McKinsey's Trends report, emphasize that businesses must quickly adapt to these changes to prevent becoming obsolete. On-chain transformations in DeFi, economic changes on the horizon. The ongoing transformation of DeFi, bolstered by agentic AI, represents a speculative yet compelling trend. Trading practices are evolving towards a more automated and agent-driven ecosystem. Prominent crypto figures on X, including Miles Deutscher, suggest that multiple AI-driven agents might reach valuations in the billions, driven by superior efficiency within decentralized markets. This evolution could dramatically alter investment landscapes, though the existing volatility, coupled with regulatory challenges, tempers that excitement. Overall, the broader sphere of business innovation management fueled by advancements in AI and digital transformation is yielding real-world advantages such as heightened customer satisfaction and increased market share. Showcasing examples from Amazon's cloud empire and Tesla's disruptive EV market, both highlighted in discussions on X, reinforces the concept that these trends are interconnected, propelling us toward a more resilient technological economy by 2025. In conclusion, while these emerging trends hold formidable potential, it is crucial for industry insiders to address ethical dilemmas and effectively navigate integration hurdles to fully realize these innovations. As cloud service monetization increases and the prevalence of agentic systems expands, the future of the tech sector appears poised for remarkable growth, provided that companies can adapt strategically and emphasize collaborative innovation. What are your thoughts on these upcoming tech trends? Are you excited or apprehensive about the rapid changes ahead? Let's discuss.